children, good morning. Coming to our next class. Okay, see here, the tale of a mountain. Already lesson explanation is completed. So now grammar part in page number 17. Open your textbook. In year Roman, tick the correct answer. Tick the correct sentence. Okay. See here, only the clouds reach the mountain's peak. That one is correct or wrong? Correct sentence. So tick that first one. Okay. The mountain felt lonely in summer. That one also correct sentence. So second one also tick that there. Next third one say, the sky spoke kindly and lovingly to the mountain. No, that sentence is wrong. So wrong symbol is there. Next fourth one. The mountain thought about going to the summer kingdom. No. So that one also wrong. Next fifth one see. The sky said that mountains have to stay in one place. Yes. So that one also correct. So tick that there. Next B Roman. Discuss these questions about section 2 in class. So see the first question. Why did the mountain become even sadder? Note in your book this question, okay? Why did the mountain become even sadder? The mountain was already sad because his friends, the clouds, had gone to the kingdom of winter. He had become very lonely when he told the sky that he would go to the kingdom of winter to meet the clouds. The sky discouraged him. He told him that being a mountain, he is supposed to stay in the some place mountains It was correct in the lesson. See the second one also. Once upon a time, there was a tall mountain. It was so tall that its peak stuck out in the sky all by itself. It had few friends. Only the clouds around its peak were its friends. In summer, the sun was very hot and the land below became very dry. There was no clouds in the sky. The mountain felt very lonely and it cried. The tears flowed down like rivers onto the plain. The plain became fresh and green again. It thanked the mountain and became its friend. Which one is correct, children? You understood the lesson? So which one is correct paragraph? Summary? Summary 2 is the correct one. Okay? Summary 2 is the correct one. Summary 2. So tick that summary 2. Okay? Next, D Roman. Turn the page number 18. D Roman. Tick the correct answers. See the first one. The mountain was lonely because it was alone in the blue sky. Was alone in the blue sky. So tick the C option. Okay. Second one. In the summer, the mountain felt very sad Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons for your answer. Note this second question in your notebook, and here I will write the second question answer only. Okay? First question, see in your textbook and